Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys. So the lockdown has been lifted, but it is still advisable for all of us to stay indoors as much as possible. And I know all of us have been missing our salon services. But you can actually give your skin that awesome pampering that it deserves being at home. So in today's episode of POPxo Skincare Secrets, I'm going to show you how you can give your skin that rejuvenating face bar at home. First step is cleansing. So cleansing is essential because you want to get rid of all the dirt, grime, excess sebum or makeup on your skin. This is mostly done in two steps. First is using any sort of makeup remover or micellar water. I prefer using micellar water because it's extremely gentle on my skin. The process is extremely simple. You're supposed to take a cotton swab, put a couple of drops on it and gently massage it on your skin and you will see all your makeup, dirt and grime coming off. And second step is using a cleanser. I prefer a mild cleanser. I use Episoft because I have acne prone skin, but you can use any sort of cleanser. The next step is steaming. For this, you can use a face steamer or you can have some boiling water in a bowl and use that. Steam opens up your pores and allows for a deeper cleanse. It helps loosen up any buildup of dirt and also softens the blackheads, making them easier to remove. It promotes blood circulation as well. So the next step is exfoliation. Exfoliation is very important as it helps in getting rid of dead skin cells, blackheads or whiteheads, and it leaves your skin looking smoother and brighter. For this, I generally use a clay mask. So I generally use this clay mask from Innisfree. It's a charcoal super volcanic pore clay mask. So I apply this using a brush and I leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Once it's dry, I use lukewarm water and gently scrub it on my skin and then rinse it off. Now it's time for a sheet mask and jade roller. This is my favorite step of the routine because I think it's a very relaxing step. So I'm going to start with applying a sheet mask on my face and here I'm using the Glow Iridescent Brightening Sheet Mask from MyGlam. Sheet masks have hydrating serums that tend to rejuvenate, plump and firm your skin. It is a great way to detoxify. Now I also like to use a jade roller over my sheet mask, which will ensure that the serum is getting absorbed properly into my skin. And before that, I keep my jade roller in the freezer to cool down for 10 to 15 minutes. It helps in reducing puffiness and further boosts blood circulation in my skin. So once I'm done with the sheet mask, I usually use a toner. Here I'm using the Glow Iridescent Brightening Toner. So it's very easy to use. Just take 2 pumps on a cotton swab and gently massage it onto your skin. So after toner, I go for moisturizing plus any sort of serum. So I use this vitamin E serum from Neutrogena. It helps in locking moisture and hydrating my skin. So it's very easy to use. I take 2 pumps of this on my finger and I gently massage it all over my face. And while massaging, I make sure the movement is mostly upwards. After my serum, I go for a moisturizer. So I use a hydrating moisturizer which is also lightweight on my skin. Moisturization is a very important step of your routine as it helps in locking the moisture and water content of your skin and it helps in making your skin look supple and glowy. Here I'm using the Glow Moisturizer. It's the Iridescent Brightening Moisturizer Cream. Now a quick focus on my lips. So I start with a lip scrub. I apply it all over my lips and gently start massaging it and it helps in getting rid of all the dead skin. So after using a lip scrub, your lips generally get dry and sensitive. So finish it off by using a lip balm or a hydrating lip mask. So that was it for the video guys. I hope you liked it. Let me know what you thought about this routine in the comment section below. Also, because you love POPxo and our content so much, we have come up with a surprise for you. And don't forget to join the MyGlamXO Insider program and get 150 rupees off on all beauty products when shopped from MyGlam app and myglam.com. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily.